Namaste, everyone. I'm thrilled to take you on a whirlwind tour of SpotGPT. Right, it's a game-changing tool for recruiters, and recruiters on our tools portable are they can't stop raving about it. Right. So yeah, I think in this demo you will experience the magic of what we call as a 360-degree job description, where you can craft roles and responsibilities, create performance objectives that set the bar high. Right. You can boost your sourcing game with the sourcing helpers that I'll show you. Uh, they you will obviously be able to engage with candidates like never before using LinkedIn posts, compelling emails, and more. Right. And getting an upper hand in screening with screening questions and interviewing prompts. And yeah, and we have talent insights coming soon. Right now, picture this: you click on create my playground over here and sign up with Google, and voila, you are in the interface that makes everything feel like a breeze. Right, all you have to do is put the context in here in the about your role section. Right, and you're all set. Right, so for this particular demo I have just set up a context for a senior front-end developer with expertise in React and Next.js, and should have track record building scale B2C products and so on and so forth. Right, and you just have to go ahead and hit generate, and the system will start doing its job. Right, and imagine you are doing this on a role intake call. Right, expected to conjure up a job description seemingly out of thin air. You want a tool that can literally make sure you're armed with all of these insights. Right, sparking richer conversations with the hiring manager. Right, and that's what the tool gives you. Right, and over and above roles and responsibilities, right, you have performance objectives that you can also look at. Right, what that helps you build is a clearer picture of what success looks like for the candidate in the first year. Right, how do you kind of go from looking for just hard skills, right, having a tunnel vision on hard skills, and looking for actually what a successful hire looks like. Right, and Spot GPT kind of equips you with that. Over and above that, you have your Boolean query suggestions. Right, and it is as simple as basic generate, click, and see passive candidates right over here. Right, so as simple as that. Right, so that's the power that we kind of give you over here. um, Over and above that, I mean, you don't have to, when you are talking to your candidates, you don't have to settle for random conversations anymore. Right, you can go ahead and generate screening questions. Right, and have intelligent conversations, have tailor made conversations about that role, and how do you uncover some potential red flags early on. Right, obviously it starts with sourcing of the right candidates themselves, and to source you would want to kind of post the right LinkedIn posts, post the right emails to your passive candidate database. And I mean, the, the system will generate everything along with the hashtags over here, along with the here, which you can obviously go ahead and copy and put it on your email and edit it as you want it. But yeah, you have a starting point. Right, that's the most important thing. Right, and last but certainly not the least, right, Spot GPT conjures up interview questions as well. Right, and you one is for the recruiters. It will again have you get to have the right conversations on your role intake calls as well as debrief calls, and over and above that, you are able to give the right support to the interviewers. Right, especially those junior ones. Right, and for interviewers directly, I mean, it's a no brainer that you would want to use generative AI applications to. And there you go. You have various scenarios that are automatically created by the system. Right, and you have these questions. Right, so we have woven all of this wizardry into a easy to use tool, right, designed to make life a whole lot easier for hiring teams. Right, give us feedback. Right, let's dive into the product. Yep.